My name is Dominik Domitrovic and I'm Sales and Export Manager as well as Application Engineer for the company SCHOLL Concepts out of Germany. SCHOLL Concepts is a company based in Remseck, Germany and producing since more than 50 years holistic and unique polishing compounds and polishing pads with a top quality performance. More than 50 employees daily improve and develop the best products available in the market. Not too long ago, 1st of October 2015, SCHOLL Concepts has launched a unique marine range. The marine range is dedicated for gel coat treatments or for any other paint treatments or paint finishes in the boat and yachting area.
The most important difference compared to the competition is that SCHOLL Concepts is producing in Germany the whole range for perfect surface finish. Final result is always depending out of the combination from compound and used polishing pad. SCHOLL Concepts understood this fact a long time ago and it's the only producer worldwide of surface treatment products under one roof. Since 1962, the company is growing and SCHOLL Concepts is worldwide established and known as a premium producer of innovative paint finishing systems. The highest technology and production standards as well as very innovative machineries and a team existing out of very motivated employees are the key of the success from the company.